Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We are going to Malshej Ghat for a one-day trip to camp in our car. Do join us and hope you like the video. Malshej Ghat is a mountainous pass in the Western Ghats range in the Kalyan Amitnagar road of Maharashtra. It's around 154 kilometers from Mumbai. One can get to this beautiful place by road from Mumbai by taking the NH3 to Bhiwandi and turn towards Murbad, or take the state highway via Kalyan. This place is a delight for outdoor enthusiasts, adventure seekers, and nature lovers for its trekking trails and gushing waterfalls, and verdant flora and fauna. Best time to visit this beautiful place is the monsoon season. Just a half an hour drive away from the hustle and bustle of Malshej Ghat, one can find the secluded lake of Pimpalgaon Joga Dam. This is the perfect picnic spot for you to relax with your family away from the crowd. This is our camping setup. Camping setup is done and we are all longing for a hot cup of chai in this cold and rainy weather.
We are doing it, keeping it for you.
Finally our chai is ready. There gets your homemade burger.